Hello, I'd like to introduce to you Nuts and Bolts of English, a unique resource wherein you can learn English, speak English well with 30 easy practice sheets. And this book is ideal for +2 learners, for degree students, those wishing to take up IELTS. Welcome to the world of Nuts and Bolts of English. This book is a unique combination of 30 research scholars, teachers, and those interested in practicing ELT. Each practice sheet consists of reading, grammar, vocabulary, aspects of dictation, writing, and transcription. The IPA or the phonetics chart is also included for easy pronunciation and understanding of difficult words. The consonants, monophthongs, and diphthongs are situated in the back and front pages. Each sheet is also perforated. The advantage of perforation is that the student can take the practice sheets home, do the work, and bring it back. In the same way, the teachers can also evaluate these sheets. Welcome to the world of Nuts and Bolts of English. The books are available at various bookstores in and around Calicut. Plus, they are also available as mail order.